Does your Audi have the 360-degree surround view camera option, but you don't know how to enter this option and how to select the different camera angles? No worries. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to enter the 360-degree surround view camera option and also how to select the different camera angles. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. In the center console you will find this button marked with a P and a camera. By clicking on this button, you will see on the Audi MMI screen that the camera menu will open itself. By clicking on the different buttons on the bottom left side, you can select the different camera angles, like the Audi 3D surroundings view, where you can easily see all the angles of your Audi. But you can also select only the front view, the top view and the back view of your Audi. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.